for me, well, yeah, this is when it becomes truly usable. Control T. That didn't work. Terminal. Now, I never used the terminal as a child, obviously, because I was a child, but I can use it now. Obviously, I know where I am. I'm just doing these commands to show off. Oh. Aha. Just gonna do the usual thing. No, it's got capital D. God damn it. V hello dot txt. Not a comma this time, so it should work. Hello world full stop. Escape. This WQ. Okay, cat. Hello. No. Hello dot txt. Beautiful. It works. Yeah, obviously it works. Okay, I might have to use apt on that, but hopefully this has a cool software installer thing. Don't remember this. Firefox. Ice Wolf. Please work. Yeah, I don't care. Actually, no, I probably shouldn't search that up. Oh well. Here, it's not even worked. YouTube. In fact, Google might take a while, so we're just going to www.com. Because this is an older version of Firefox, it should actually still play Flash Player things. Yeah, I mean, yeah, the browser works, just really terribly. Yeah, this should play Flash games if it wants to. Oh my god, this is such a good looking OS. Right, it might be an update manager. Synaptic. I never knew Synaptic was official. I guess they've all turned to snaps now. What's my password? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Obviously. Who'd ever not have their password set? I really hope I'm recording. Okay, phew. Right. Yeah, I don't care. Please, tell me they have this. If they don't have this, I'm gonna be slightly less happy than I would be if they did have it. I know, frowning. Okay, they don't have it, great. I'm gonna stab someone. Game. Okay, there's like 3 games. That's not very chalk pamp. Well, wait, of course, there's that thing where you got like repositories. Main server. Okay, this should be it. Honestly, I could still live in this OS. No struggle whatsoever. Still no games. Okay, I'm slightly disgruntled by the size of this window. I don't know what I cropped the thing to on OBS though, so I'm gonna have to check that out. 50. I think is that the max? Okay, that is a bit better. Is that fitting on the screen? Only just. Could move it slightly. Oh no, bad. Slightly to the side. Right. Anyway. God damn it, no games. try some of the games they have here. What ones do I actually remember? Mahjong, I remember this. I'm really good at this. Okay. Okay. Where do we start? Let's Play channel. That's a open source game soundtrack. You're welcome for my serenading. This is probably extremely boring to watch. Help. China. Can't believe them. They really make good games. God. What was I gonna do? Terminal server client. Okay, that looks concerning. Add or remove. Close. Games. I love games. I live for games. I have an addiction. Super. Yeah, I'm gonna kill someone. Tux typing, Tux math, and they don't even have super Tux. I do remember these games though. Let's see. Oh, it's still annoying me how small the screen is. Same gnome. Okay. Catman. Best game of all time. What other games are there? Okay, that's it. That is not very many. Another Synaptic is running. Great, I don't care. Where is it? Has it not got like a thing up here? Oh, no, it's down at the bottom. Oh, quirky. Close. Retry. I can't be bothered reading. But I'll just accept that it doesn't work. And I'll cry, and I'll be sad forever. Maybe I need to do an update. I think it updates automatically though. Aha! All available applications. This should have the stuff in it. Super Tux. Yes. Okay, it showed me a bit, then it decided not to. Sassy. Okay, that's great. I love that. Games. Okay, I take it back. This is the worst operating system ever. I hate everything. I'm going to murder someone. If anyone asks why, the reason is video games. Super Tux, because video games cause violence. Finally, best game of all time. I love this game so much. Yeah, I'll enable that. Please work. Yes, I think it's working. Oh my god, if this works, I'm gonna... I'm gonna DDoS your sister's dog. Bruh. Why? MCA. It's fun to stay at the... Oh, we're gonna install Super... Yes, I have enabled that already. I guess that's what happens when you're not using an LTS. Because they don't long-term support you. That's what I should have done. Maybe I'll do that next. But I think for now, I'm gonna say goodbye. First, I want to see if I can break this. Where the hell's the terminal? Okay. Yeah, make sure we're in the root. Okay. Wait, no. Uh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. God damn it. I haven't misspelled that. Well, oh. Oh, that's why. Nope, there's nothing else. Anyway, it doesn't matter that much. RM, RF. RM slash. RM dir bin. Sudo RM dir bin. This is probably not funny or cool. Why am I doing it? Okay, right. I'm just gonna do one last thing. Yes. Poop. Look at that. I am officially funny. Good job. Close terminal. Yeah, maybe I'll do a part 2 of this, because I do like this. Oh, about gnome. I'm getting distracted. Okay, what was the shutdown thing? Shutdown. Shutdown. Okay. Ooh. No, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, there. 23 minutes. Hell yeah, that's long. See ya.